everybody take your envelopes. Let's open them, but do not consume yet what's inside. All right, so this is what we're going to try to do, because all right, so yeah, they're great instruments, are they? But we're going to actually try to turn them into another type of instrument, because we've never been in a room with so many people eating Pop Rocks at the same time. And we've never heard it recorded, so we're going to try to record this and play it back. What we're going to do is everybody open their Pop Rocks, but please do not eat, and please be careful of not spilling them. So open it from the top. For people who've never eaten Pop Rocks before, what you need to do is get your mouth kind of wet with saliva. Just like work that saliva up in there, because it reacts with the Pop Rocks. And what we're going to do is, on the count of 3, at 3, we're going to tilt our head backs. Yeah, and we're going to be really, hopefully, thank you, Greg, very quiet while we're doing this. Oh, yeah, there is lactose in there, Arturo said, so be aware of that if you can't. Okay, sorry about that. So we're going to turn off the lights for this as well. Okay, so on the count of 1, 2, 3.
Don't swallow them right away.
Don't swallow them, just let them crackle in your mouth. Open your mouth to the heavens, but don't try to swallow them just yet, okay? Does everybody understand? Any questions? What? Yeah, you don't have to eat them all. We just want to get the sound out of it, so keep your mouth open, please, while you're eating this. This is the only time you can do this in public. So everybody, keep your mouth open. On the count of 3, can we have the lights off, please? 1, 2, 3. Great, can we turn off the lights?